the growing mental health crisis in America's youth. Hello, this is ChartGPT Today. You know, you've been hearing about it, I'm sure, in the news, but basically there's a lot of folks that believe that there's a growing mental health crisis in not just America, but around the world. Let's take a look at some of the numbers to see whether or not this is happening, especially in the youth. Here's a data point here that says that Sweden, of course, they've been having a lot of demographic issues in Sweden we've been hearing about. But United States, United Kingdom are at the top of the list. 44% and 39% respectively say that they've experienced some mental health problems in the last 12 months. 44% in America. Of course, this is in June 23, finishing in June 23. That's astounding, 44%. Taking a look at the trend here, they say that the share of youth who say the following illness issues are the biggest health problems in the country today. Because that's a poll, so it's pretty close, 53%. That's those who feel there is. And drilling down a little bit on the youth, here's a report out of Fox that basically says in 2011, in males it was 21 and growing to 29% in 2021. And of course, for females, it's going from 36 to 57%, which is an amazing number. Going down even further here, now of course this is 2021. You can see some of these numbers in different polls. They kind of correlate within a broad range. You can see here the total mental health was not good coming out of the COVID-19 pandemic. It was 37% total, and here again, once again, we see girls at 49 and boys at 24. And of course, with the wokeism growing, LGBTQ it faces the highest amongst those groups. So getting even further, here's a chart that seems to indicate what people feel that the roles and what doctors dealing with mental health, individual families, doctors, schools, government. You can see there that 84% considered a big issue there. And of course the cost is another factor here. The cost is another issue because a lot of times health insurance policies don't necessarily cover to the degree that maybe they should. On the bright side, here is a list of the 10 best states in the U.S. Nebraska takes the lead in the best in terms of mental health. I guess out there on the plains, people can be a little bit more stable, I suppose. In any case, check out the AI and see what it says with the top 5 concerns dealing with mental health problems in the youth. And take our online poll. Have you experienced mental health problems yourself and or know others that may around you, to see if this trend can be confirmed in some of the readership here. Now don't forget to subscribe.